Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. While testing the 15 ppm alarm, the yellow LED on the stain detector was on. Even after during the auto version 2 to 3 times, the yellow LED didn't change to green. When I checked the troubleshooting session in the manual, it said, detection to this contaminated in manual version is required. So now, let's do the manual version for the detection tube. First, we need to turn off the primary power supply. When the power is turned off, boiling water separator power fail alarm will show up. Next, loosen the two draining screws. Drain the water from the sample water detection tube. Close the air valve. Loosen the two hexagonal nuts and remove the tubes from the auto version unit. Remove the three screws on the auto version unit. Hold the cylinder with both hands and slowly lift it by shaking it gently. Before using the version liquid, we will flush the tube using mineral water. After that, open the drain plug to its original position. Tighten the two screws properly. This is the dedicated cleaning liquid provided by the maker, and we must use only this for cleaning. If you use organic or alcohol-based solvents, it could cause errors when measuring wine concentration. Here is the washing brush. To start cleaning, first pour 20 cc of the washing solution into the sample water detection tube. Then, use the washing brush as shown. Move it up and down and to this point cleaning. Open the drain plug and let the washing solution drain out. It's okay if you don't completely drain the solution from the tube. After draining, use the washing brush and mineral water again for flashing. Close the drain plug at the bottom of the detection tube. If the drain plug isn't closed tightly, an error alarm may appear. Clean the auto washing unit thoroughly with mineral water. Hold the washing unit firmly with both hands and insert it back into the detection tube. Then, tighten the three screws securely. Reconnect the sample water outlet connection properly. Also, reconnect the tubes from the washing unit cylinder that we removed earlier. Now, we open the sample water and air valves. Turn the power supply back on and check the status of the 15 ppm beige alarm. Do an auto wash and check whether the washing unit is working well and if there is any leakage. Now we can see that the auto washing unit is working properly. The yellow LED has changed to green and the detection unit is now clean again. The reason why the yellow or red LED light turn on in the summer water detection unit is because domestic water is steady. So, whether it's after during the weekly alarm test or after operation, it is a good idea to close the summer water valve going into the detection tube. From my experience, this is one of the easier ways to prevent problems. That is for this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or topics you want to know about, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching till the end.